Andrea.
Hi, Augie.
I understand you're going to be teaching a workshop on land trusts.
Yes, that's right.
Fantastic. For lots of people, they seem to be very confused when it comes to the idea of land trusts.
Well, that's one of the reasons that we're hosting this workshop at Commonwealth.
Who should really be attending a seminar like this? Is it just rich people?
Well, everyone should know about them. Property owners, sellers, buyers, lenders, real estate agents, closing attorneys and title companies, investors. And they're not just for rich people. All of us, I'd say, are trying to build our wealth and our retirement assets. And a big way that we do that is through real estate.
Okay, and land trust, I guess, provides some protection with that.
Exactly.
Now, what do you think is the best reason for using land trusts?
Well, a land trust offers the ability to keep your ownership private. There's a lot of benefits with land trusts, and that's why we're having a workshop to go over those, but probably the most popular one is the anonymity that it provides.
Okay, another word for that is privacy, right?
Yes, exactly. Yep.
How does that work?
Well, in Florida and probably in all 50 states, the way that property is transferred is through a deed. A deed has the grantor's name on it and the grantee's name on it.
So a grantor would be like a seller,
Exactly.
and a grantee would be like a buyer.
Exactly. The purchaser, the new owner.
Right.
So what happens is that deed, once the transaction is closed, is going to be recorded in the clerk of the county court.
Okay.
By the clerk of the county court. So it's going to be on public record, and you can either search the clerk's website or you can go to the property appraiser's website in most counties in Florida and you can search that. So if someone plugs your name in and looks to see if you own any real estate in a certain county, everything that you own will pop up unless your property has been deeded to you through a trust and a trustee's name is on public record. Then you may own that property, but you're going to be a unrecorded beneficiary. So that's going to keep your ownership private.
Okay, so it keeps my name out of the public record.
Exactly.
Pretty cool. What else is going to be going on at this workshop?
Well, some of the other things that we're going to talk about is the advantages that the land trust can provide for lenders. Also, the way we can utilize our retirement accounts as beneficiaries. A lot of us have college-age children, and we may want to grow their college education fund, or you may have a health savings account. A lot of people don't realize that those types of accounts can be grown through a beneficiary in a land trust through property ownership.
But even IRAs and 401k plans.
Absolutely.
That's pretty amazing. How can we learn more about this workshop?
You're going to go to yourlandtrust.com and click on the events page on our website, and that will tell you everything you need to know about our next workshop.
Okay, so if you're watching this video, you need to go to yourlandtrust.com, get all the information, times, dates, everything you need to do to get registered. But definitely get registered for the power of land trusts.